We don't get to see the outside world. We don't get to hear the outside world, and so on. How come? A good analogy goes like this. We don't get to see the unborn baby inside the mother, but we do see the ultrasound monitor showing a moving unborn baby. So, all things you see are just the mental interpretation of data from your eyes. Let me repeat. All things you see are just the mental interpretation of data from your eyes. Does the so-called color exist? Does the so-called sound exist? Does the smell exist? Does the taste exist? Does the touch exist? Do thoughts really exist? Because you know the ultrasound monitors moving baby images are not the actual unborn baby inside the mother. They are two different things. Maybe both sides have a corresponding relationship through a special black box. We call it a function. However, ultrasound monitors baby is not the actual baby inside the mother. So it's safe to say all things, the so-called outside world, is nothing but the mental interpretation of data.